Morning students. So today we will continue part C, that is question number 30, 31st and 32. These three questions belongs to under integrals. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈ ಮೂರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ದಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, so question number 30, 31st and 32nd belongs to under integrals. Each question carries 3 marks. Okay, now let us discuss one by one. So here first one, either it may be 30th question or it may be 31st or it may be 32. Totally 3 questions in part C belongs to integrals. Now here first question, evaluate integral of sin 3x into cos 4x. Evaluate integral of sin 3x into cos 4x. How to solve? Here clearly product of two terms. Now here put 3x is equal to a and 4x call it as b. It is in the form sin a cos b. Now you know the formula by using transformation formula. So sin a cos b is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 into bracket sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. That is the formula. Now here therefore integral of sin 3x into cos 4x with respect to x is equal to 3x is equal to a, 4x is b, sin a cos b formula 1 by 2 into bracket sin of a plus b 3x plus 4x 7x plus sin of a minus b 3x minus 4x minus x, correct? With respect to x. So 1 by 2 constant take outside into integral of sin 7x. You know that sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x with respect to x. Then integrate 1 by 2 integral of sin 7x, integral of sin minus cos 7x divided by coefficient of x is 7 minus again integral of sin x is minus cos x plus constant of integration c, that is 1 by 2 into bracket minus cos 7x by 7 minus into minus plus cos x plus constant of integration c. Okay, so that is 3 mark question, right? Next, another problem, that is problem number 30th or 31st or 32nd. Evaluate integral of sin cube x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x with respect to x. How to solve? Here it is in the form division of two term, but we don't know the rule. So to convert division of two term into sum or difference of two terms, so how to convert it? Divide term by term. Term by term ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin cube x divided by sin square x cos square x plus cos cube x divided by sin square x into cos square x with respect to x. Okay, now that is equal to 1 sin square x get cancelled, here 1 cos square x cancel. Now remaining value sin x divided by cos square x plus cos x divided by sin square x, okay, with respect to x, that equals, now sin x divided by, take 1 cos square x is same as cos x into cos x, sin x by cos x tan x into 1 more cos here, 1 by cos x is secant x, correct? Cos x by sin x is cot x, 1 by sin x is cosec x with respect to x, right? Then integrate integral of secant x into tan x. You know the standard result, that is secant x, integral of cot x into cosec x minus cosec x plus constant of integration c. Okay, Whereas another problem, evaluate integral of tan power 4x with respect to x. 3 mark question. So how to solve? Now that is equal to tan power 4 can be written as, we can write tan square x into tan square x. Baribodala? Okay. Now that is equal to, now tan square x first term write as it is. Another term tan square x using trigonometric identity we write secant square x minus 1 with respect to x. Okay. Then further simplify. So remove that bracket, that equals integral of tan square x into secant square x minus tan square x into 1 tan square x with respect to x, right? Then split up the integral. Now integral of u minus v is equal to integral of u minus integral of v, integral of tan square x secant square x dx minus integral of tan square x with respect to x, right? Here in first integral it is not in standard form, make it as standard form by suitable substitution. In first integral, by substituting in tolano, by taking tan x is equal to t. ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan x is equal to t ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು t. Derivative of tan x secant square x with respect to t dx by dt is equal to derivative of t with respect to t1 cross multiply x square x dx equal to dt. Now that is equal to tan x by taking t power to secant square x dx is dt minus integral of tan square x using trigonometric identity we can write secant square x minus 1 with respect to x because tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1. Then integrate integral of t square t cube by 3 minus integral of secant square x, you know the formula, that is tan x minus into minus plus integral of 1 x plus constant of integration c. But the value of t value ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ tan x, t cube ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan cube x divided by 3 minus tan x plus x plus constant of integration c. That is the answer. Okay. So 30th, 31st, 32nd, or they may be given some more another problems. Okay. So you clean and note ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Next problem, that is 3 mark. Evaluate integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x to the power of 2 with respect to x. ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಟೇಕ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟಿ, ದೆನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟಿ. Derivative of 1 constant 0, derivative of cos x is minus sin x with respect to t dx is equal to dt, or multiply by minus sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Therefore given expression integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x to the power of 2 with respect to x is equal to sin x dx value minus dt divided by 1 plus cos x value t power 2. So that is equal to integral of minus 1 by t square with respect to t. It is standard result. What is integral of minus 1 by t square? Plus 1 by t plus c, that is 1 by, the value of t is here 1 plus cos x plus constant of integration c. Okay. Whereas another problem, evaluate integral of 1 by cos square x into bracket 1 minus tan x to the power of 2 with respect to x. Now that is equal to, first we have to reduce it. As you know that 1 by cos square x using trigonometric function secant square x by 1 minus tan x to the power of 2 with respect to x. Now by substituting the given data, it is not in standard form, make it as standard form by suitable substitution, so that by taking 1 minus tan x is equal to t, then differentiate both sides with respect to x or with respect to t. Differentiate derivative of 1 with respect to t, 1 is constant 0, minus derivative of tan x is secant square x with respect to t, dx is equal to dt, or multiply by negative sign, secant square x dx is equal to minus dt. Now that is equal to secant square x dx value minus dt divided by 1 minus tan x value is t, its square t square, that is integral of minus 1 by t square with respect to t. Now integral of minus 1 by t square, ಯಾವುದನ್ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus 1 by t square ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 by t, because derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square, plus constant of integration c, that is 1 by the value of t is 1 minus tan x plus constant of integration c. Okay, whereas next problem, that is problem number 6, evaluate integral of cos square x e power x divided by 1 e power x into bracket 1 plus x, e power x into bracket 1 plus x divided by cos square x e power x with respect to x. How to solve? Now here by substituting, put x e power x equal to t, then differentiate both sides with respect to t or with respect to x. Now here product of two functions, apply u into v rule, product rule. The rule says first function as it is x into derivative of second function, derivative of e power x is e power x, plus second function as it is e power x into derivative of x with respect to t, 1 with respect to t, dx is equal to dt. Right? Now from these two, e power x common, x plus 1 dx is equal to dt. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. therefore given expression e power x into bracket 1 plus x divided by cos square x e power x with respect to x is equal to e power x into 1 plus x dx value dt divided by cos square x e power x by taking t, that is 1 by cos square t trigonometric function secant square t. Now integral of secant square t is tan t, because derivative of tan t is sec square t. Okay, that is equal to tan the value of t, t value ಏನಿದೆ x e power x plus constant of integration c. Okay, that is problem number 7 belongs to under integrals. Now here evaluate integral of x plus 1 into bracket x plus log x to the power of 2 divided by x with respect to x. How to solve? Now first you reduce it, that is equal to, now here we can write x plus 1 divided by x into x plus log x, ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ, to the power of 2, both are same, or divide term by term, x by x is 1 plus 1 by x into x plus log x to the power of 2 with respect to x. Now by substituting x plus log x is equal to t, then differentiate both sides with respect to x or with respect to t. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of log x 1 by x with respect to t, different variable t, that is dx is equal to dt. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 plus 1 by x dx ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, so that is equal to x plus log x by taking t power 2, 1 plus 1 by x dx value is dt. Clearly it is standard result. Now what is integral of t square? You know, that is t power 3 by 3 plus c. Substituting the value of t, t value is x plus log x to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus constant of integration c. Okay, whereas problem number 8, evaluate integral of sine of tan inverse x power 4 divided by into x cube divided by 1 plus x power 8 with respect to x. Now again here it is in the form division of two terms. We don't know the rule. So to convert given data in standard form, so that by substituting in ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋನಿಲೆ by taking tan inverse of x power 4 is equal to t. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ both sides with respect to x or with respect to t. Now here there are two friends. First friend is tan inverse, second friend x power 4. Put x power 4 is equal to capital X. It is in the form tan inverse of capital X. But derivative of tan inverse of capital X, you know, 1 by 1 plus capital X to the power of 2. But the value of capital is x power 4 to the power of 2 into derivative of capital X. Capital X ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? X power 4 into derivative of x power 4 is 4x power 3 with respect to t, that is dx is equal to dt. Or we can write divide by 4 x cube by 1 plus x power 4 whole power 2 laws of indices a power m power n is equal to a power m into n dx is equal to dt divided by 4. ಇದೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್, ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 4 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 8 ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 4 by taking t, x cube by 1 plus x power 8 dx value dt divided by 4. So 4 constant take outside, that is 1 by 4 into integral of sin t with respect to t. Correct? Houdalri? Then integrate integral of sin t minus cos t plus constant of integration c, that is minus 1 by 4 cos the value of t value ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ? tan inverse of x power 4 plus constant of integration c. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇವನ್ನೇ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 9th. ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುವೇಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by 1 plus tan x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Suppose now tan x equal to t ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ derivative of tan x secant square x is there? No. So what can you do? First you have to reduce it. ಹೇಗೆ reduce ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ? So 1 by 1 plus tan x can be written as, we can write sin x by cos x. ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ? With respect to x. That is integral of 1 by, take the LCM. LCM is cos x. That is cos x plus sin x divided by cos x with respect to x. That is, if you take multiplication, that cos x goes to numerator, cos x divided by cos x plus sin x with respect to x. Okay? Then further simplify. So that is equal to, again here division of two term, ಮತ್ತೇನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So again, once again reduce it. In the numerator, cos x can be written as, we can write cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Add and subtract. Add and that is cos x can be written as cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x. Check it. Plus sin x minus sin x cancel. Cos x plus cos x, 2 cos x. So eliminate 2 so that we can take 1 by 2. Balance it. ಈ cos x ಅನ್ನು ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Are they same? Yes. Cos x plus sin x plus cos x minus sin x. plus sin x minus sin x cancel, cos x plus cos x 2 cos x, but ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು only cos x 2 eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, multiply by 1/2, right? Next, divide term by term, cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x cancel, term by term divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cancel ಆಗುತ್ತಾ 1 plus cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, divide term by term, cos x plus sin x by cos x plus sin x cancel, that is 1 plus cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Now that is 1/2. Integrate, integral of 1 with respect to x, you know, that is x, plus integral of cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. How to integrate? Remember, apply particular case. Clearly the numerator is the derivative of denominator. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ log of the denominator, log of mod cos x plus sin x plus constant of integration c. Clear students? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ cos x by cos x plus sin x, ಈ cos x ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಇರಲಿ. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, cos x plus sin x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ cos x minus sin x, ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin x minus sin x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, cos x plus cos x 2 cos x, 2 extra ಆಯಿತು, multiply by 1/2, that 2 to cancel, it will become cos x. Okay, so next problem, that is problem number 10, that is also important, 3 mark expected question. Evaluate integral of 1 divided by x plus 1 into, now that is 1 divided by x into bracket x cube plus 1, 1 divided by x into bracket x cube plus 1 with respect to x. So how to solve? Now that is equal to 1 by x into x cube plus 1. Now 1 can be written as, we can write x square divided by x cube into x cube plus 1. 1 by x can be written as x square divided by x cube. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x cube ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, x cube ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 x square cancel, it will become same term, right? Then by substituting, ಈಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, put x cube plus 1 is equal to t. Therefore x cube is equal to t minus 1. That 1 goes to right side, minus 1. Then differentiate both sides, differentiate both sides with respect to t or with respect to x. Derivative of x cube 3x square, derivative of 1 0 with respect to t, dx is equal to dt, or divide by 3 x square dx is equal to dt divided by 3. Therefore given expression integral of x square by x cube into x cube plus 1 with respect to x is equal to x square dx value dt by 3 divided by x cube is equal to t minus 1, x cube plus 1 is equal to t. So 1 by 3 constant into integral of 1 by t of t minus 1 with respect to t, 1 by t of t minus 1 with respect to t. Now that is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by t of t minus 1 can be written as, we can write 1 by t minus 1 minus 1 by t. Check it. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. We can write 1 by t minus 1 minus 1 by t. Verify. Take the LCM. LCM is t of t minus 1. Here multiply by t. Here multiply by t minus 1. T minus t, minus into minus, plus 1. T cancel. That is 1. ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. Then integrate. 1 by 3. Integral of 1 by t minus 1. That is log of mod t minus 1. Integral of 1 by t. Log of mod t plus constant of integration c, that is 1 by 3. Put that value is m and that value is n. Log m minus log n is equal to log of m by n t minus 1 by t plus constant of integration c. Now that is 1 by 3 into log of mod the value of t by taking t value is x cube plus 1. T value is x cube plus 1 minus 1 divided by t value is x cube plus 1. Correct? T value is x cube plus 1 minus 1 divided by x cube plus 1 plus c. 1 1 cancel. So 1 by 3 into log of mod x cube divided by x cube plus 1 plus constant of integration c. 3 mark question. Okay students, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 1 by x ಇದಾನೆ, 1 by x can be written as multiply numerator and denominator by x square. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೆ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ x ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂದ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಾವು 1 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? That is very important problem, expected 3 mark question. Now here evaluate integral of 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to x. How to solve? Now here by using partial fraction. I think you know the concept of partial fraction. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. So how to solve? Now consider 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Clearly it is proper fraction. In the denominator there are two different factors. If it is different factors are given, we can write a by first factor plus b by second factor. ಈ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ. Then to find the value of a and b, so that multiply each term by or equation 1 by LHS of the denominator, that is x plus 1 into x plus 2. See what happened? 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into this. Cancel. 1 is equal to a by x plus 1 into this. X plus 1 cancel. A of x plus 2. Plus b by x plus 2 into this. X plus 2 cancel. B of x plus 1. Equation 2. Now to find the value of a and b. Suppose to find the value of a, eliminate b. A find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ b ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. b ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x ಟೇಕನ್ ಸಚ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ b ವ್ಯಾನಿಷ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ? b ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ? x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ. ಪುಟ್ x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1. ನೋಡ್ರಿ x ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು a ಆಫ್ -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಆಫ್ -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ 1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 1a, -1 plus 1 0, therefore a is equal to 1. A value is 1. Next to find the value of b, eliminate a cancel ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. Put x is equal to -2 in equation 2. 1 is equal to a of x value -2 plus 2 plus b of x value -2 plus 1. Okay, so 1 is equal to, this is 0, -2 plus 1 -1 into b, therefore b is equal to -1. We got both a and b. Therefore given expression, hence 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1. The value of a is here 1 by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. B value -1 by x plus 2. This is partial fraction. Then integrate. Therefore integral of 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to x is equal to, its value is 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 2 with respect to x. Now split up the integral, or you can integrate directly. Integral of 1 by x plus 1, that is log of mod x plus 1, correct? Integral of 1 by x plus 2, What is the function of y whose derivative is 1 by x plus 2? Log of mod x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. Now put x plus 1 is m and here n. Log m minus log n is equal to log of m by n x mod x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. Okay, that is most important. Practice it. Similarly, next question, same type. ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, evaluate 12th one. Integral of x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2. Same concept. Now consider x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, again in the denominator two different factors, we can write a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. Next step, multiply each term by LHS of the denominator. Denominator value in the ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು term multiply ಮಾಡಿ. So left side ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x is equal to a by x plus 1 into this a of x plus 2, b by x plus 2 into this x plus 2 cancel, b of x plus 1. Now suppose to find the value of a, eliminate b. B cancel avagar by taking x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Now put x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to a of minus 1 plus 2 plus b of minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 2, 1 into a. So therefore a is equal to minus 1. Similarly, to find the value of b, eliminate a. b find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ a cancel ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, a cancel ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ x value ಏನು substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, minus 2. Put x equal to minus 2 in equation 2. Left side, x value minus 2 is equal to a of minus 2 plus 2, b of minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 is equal to, this is 0, minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 into b minus b, minus 2 is equal to minus b, therefore b is equal to plus 2. Okay, therefore given data x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to a by x plus 1, a value minus 1 by x plus 1 plus b value is 2 by x plus 2, right? Therefore integral of x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 with respect to x is equal to, its value is minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 2 with respect to x. Now split up the integral, minus integral of 1 by x plus 1 with respect to x plus 2 constant into integral of 1 by x plus 2 with respect to x. That is integrate minus, clearly the particular case the numerator is the derivative of denominator, ಇದನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡಿ, derivative of x plus 1, derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, 1 plus 0, 1 is there in the numerator, yes, its integral value log of the denominator log of mod x plus 1 plus 2 constant as it is, again the numerator is the derivative of denominator, its integral log of mod x plus 2 plus constant of integration c. Same type ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ನು 11th ಒನ್ನು 12th ಒನ್ನು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿಯಸ್ 13th problem, problem number 13. Evaluate integral of x square divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. 13th problem, evaluate integral of x square divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 with respect to x. ಹೀಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂದ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಹೇಗೆ, ನಾವು ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಪಿ, ದೆನ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು y plus 4. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇಟ್, a by first factor partial fraction plus b by second factor y plus 4. Call it as equation 1. Okay, next step, multiply each term by LHS of the denominator value y plus 1 into y plus 4. See what happened, left side y is equal to, these two cancel, a by y plus 1 into this, y plus 1 cancel, a of y plus 4, correct, plus b by y plus 4 into this, y plus 4 cancel, b of y plus 1. Then to find the value of a, eliminate b. Similarly, to find the value of b, eliminate a. ಈಗ ಬಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು y ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಟೇಕ್ y ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 ತೊಗೊಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ b ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ -1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು a ಆಫ್ -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ b ಆಫ್ -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ -1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು -1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 3a. This is 0. Therefore, a is equal to divide by 3 -1 by 3. We got a value. Similarly, to find the value of b, eliminate a. b find out ಮಾಡೋಕೆ a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, -4. Put y is equal to -4 in equation 2. Left side -4 is equal to a of -4 plus 4 plus b of -4 plus 1. So -4 is equal to 0, -4 plus 1 -3b. So -4 is equal to -3b. Therefore, b is equal to divide by -3, that is plus 4 by 3. We got both the values. Therefore, y divided by y plus 1 into y plus 4 is equal to a by y plus 1. What is a? -1 by 3 of y plus 1 plus b. b value 4 by 3 of y plus 4. Therefore, but the value of y andre yaudri, x square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 is equal to -1 by 3 y value x square plus 1 plus 4 by 3 y value x square plus 4. This is partial fraction. Next step, integrate. Therefore, integral of given expression x square by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 with respect to x is equal to, its value is -1 by 3 of x square plus 1 plus 4 by 3 of x square plus 4 with respect to x. Then split up the integral, that is equal to -1 by 3 constant, integral of 1 by x square plus 1 with respect to x, plus 4 by 3 constant outside, integral of 1 divided by x square plus 4. 4 is same as 2 square. Correct? Then integrate. So -1 by 3. What is integral of 1 by 1 plus x square? Standard result. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರೀ? Tan inverse of x. Correct? Plus 4 by 3 constant. It is in the form dx by x square plus a square. You know the standard result in part D. Part D ದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Question number 43. Question number 43 or 44. So integral of dx by x square plus a square formula, 1 by a value 2, tan inverse of x by a value 2 plus constant of integration c. Now 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then final answer, -1 by 3 tan inverse x plus 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by 2 plus constant of integration c. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದು ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಲೀನಿಯರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆಯಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ.